Welcome to Baby's Boo World, your cozy corner of calm bedtime stories. Parents snuggle in with your little one and enjoy this peaceful read aloud. Ellie was a little girl who loved to laugh, run, and play outside. She lived in a small village surrounded by big green meadows and tall, whispering trees. Every afternoon, after finishing her homework, Ellie would run outside to play with her best friend Lily. Ellie and Lily did everything together. They made flower crowns, chased butterflies, and even built tiny houses for ladybugs. At night, they would lie on the soft grass, counting the stars until it was time to go home. But one day, everything changed. Lily's family had to move to faraway town because of her father's new job. When Lily came to say goodbye, Ellie hugged her so tightly she could hardly breathe. Lily promised to write letters and send pictures, but Ellie still felt very sad. The next few days were quiet and lonely. Ellie tried to play in the meadow by herself, but it wasn't the same without Lily's giggles. She made a flower crown, but it didn't feel special. She chased butterfly, but the only felt the empty space next to her. At night, Ellie still went outside to look at the stars, but instead of feeling happy, she felt a big lump in her chest. I miss Lily so much, she whispered to the twinkling sky. One warm summer evening, Ellie sat to the meadow with her chin resting on her knees. She watched as the sun slowly dipped behind the trees, turning the sky orange and pink. Birds chirped their good night songs, and a soft breeze brushed against Ellie's face. As the sky grew darker, something magical happened. Teeny golden lights began to flicker all around her. At first, Ellie thought they were falling stars, but soon she realized they were fireflies, dozens and dozens of them. They floated gently above the grass, blinking softly like little living lanterns. Ellie's eyes widened in wonder. She had seen fireflies before, but never so many, and never so close. One brave firefly flew right up to Ellie's face, its tiny light shining bright. Ellie giggled and held out her hand. To her surprise, the fireflies landed gently on her finger. Its soft glow made her feel warm inside, almost like the way Lily's smile used to. Hello, little one, Ellie whispered. Are you lonely too? As if answering her, more fireflies gathered around. They danced in slow circle, blinking and twinkling in the air. Ellie watched them closely, her heart beat faster with excitement. Then something even more wonderful happened. The fireflies began to move together like tiny stars painting the night sky. Slowly they formed a glowing shape, a smiling face. Ellie gasped and clapped her hands with delight. You are drawing pictures? She laughed. The fireflies twirled around and the glowing face changed. This time they made the shape of a heart. Ellie placed her hand over her chest and whispered, I love you too. Feeling brave, Ellie stood up. She stretched out her arms and began to twirl gently in the meadow. The fireflies floated around her, making shiny trails in the dark. The fireflies seemed happy too. They flew faster and drew sparkling circle around her. Then they formed the letter E. That's my name, Ellie squealed, her eyes shining with joy. The fireflies blinked brighter, as if they were giggling along with her. They spelled out ELLIE in glowing letters that danced and shimmered in the warm night. Ellie felt something she hadn't felt since Lily moved away. She felt special and loved. Thank you, she whispered softly. You are my new friend, are not you? The fireflies floated closer, gently brushing against her hair and arms. Their teeny lights made Ellie feel warm and brave. For the first time in many days, Ellie's heart felt light and happy again. Every night after that, Ellie went back to the meadow. The fireflies were always waiting for her. Blinking and swirling in the moonlight grass, Ellie would dance and laugh, spinning and trilling until her cheeks turned pink. The fireflies followed her every move, wrapping her in soft glowing light. During the day, Ellie still missed Lily. She still made flowers, crowns, and chased butterfly, but now she didn't feel as lonely. She had her glow in the dark friends to look forward to each night. One evening, Ellie brought something special to the meadow. It was a letter she had written for Lily. I have new friends, Ellie wrote. They are fireflies and they make me feel happy again. I hope you find new friends too. She tucked the letter into an envelope and promised to send it the next morning. When Ellie looked up, the fireflies were floating together in a shape she hadn't seen before. Slowly, they together formed two stick figures holding hands, glowing side by side. Ellie's heart felt warm and soft. You know about Lily? She whispered, her voice gentle. Thank you for reminding me she's still my friend, even if she's far away. The fireflies blinked brighter than ever, and Ellie knew they understood. Night after night, Ellie and the fireflies shared secrets, laughter, and quiet moments under the stars. The meadow felt alive with light and love. Ellie no longer felt lonely. She knew that friends could come in surprising, magical ways, sometimes even with teeny wings and glowing lights. And so, Ellie's nights were never empty again. In the soft glow of her fireflies friends, she learned that even when someone you love goes away, there is always room in your heart for new joys, new friends, and new light. And every time she trailed in the meadow, Ellie felt the magic of friendship shining all around her, warm, gentle, and bright like the firefly's golden glow. If you like this story, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Baby's Boo World. See you in the next story. Bye bye.